2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver lumbar, driver airbag, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, four-wheel ABS, auto-off headlights, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, bucket seats, electronic stability control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.